The step-down training on the grievance redress mechanisms applications and sensitization of cash transfer facilitators on steps to handle and manage grievances under the Household Uplifting Program for the National Cash Transfer Office, Abuja, was designed to address grievances that may arise in the course of implementing conditional cash transfer in Anambra State, tackle errors of exclusion and inclusion, gender-related grievance, payment issues, among others. Speaking during the training and sensitization, Dr. Sinkaye, represented by the head Management Information System of the agency, Mr. Olabode Faminu, said that Anambra State is doing very well in the implementation of the conditional cash transfer, even as he said that the state government is equally partnering with it in the area of health and charged the trainees to take the exercise seriously.
It is a great program that looks down to the grassroots. Who are the poor and vulnerable in this country? Who are on the ground? Who really need government's help? And that's why this program comes up.
Declaring the exercise open, the Commissioner for Children and Women Affairs, Mrs. Ndidi Mezue, represented by the Director of Rehabilitation in the Ministry, Mr. Jude Nwakeme, commended Governor Willie Obiano for his support with the payment of the state's counterpart funding and explained that the conditional cash transfer has helped immensely in alleviating the sufferings of poorest of the poor and the vulnerables in the state.
This program, only Anambra State was selected, the whole of the Southeast. And that is because the governor is working. The governor has to put in his counterpart to make sure that this program comes to the state.
For the head National Cash Transfer Unit, Anambra State, Mr. Ralph Enukora, the program, which is running in the 6 pilot local government areas of Ayamelum, Anambra West, Awka North, Ihiala, and Orumba South, has already captured 7,901 poor citizens of the state.
We are still operating in 6 local governments, 2 selected from each of the senatorial zones. From that mop-up enrollment, more beneficiaries are coming in any payment cycle that is being done.
A training and communications officer in the state unit of the National Cash Transfer Office, Ms. Amako Okoye, told the ABS that the training and sensitization being carried out by the unit has yielded positive results in the 6 pilot local government areas they are operating, and promised that they will continue to train the state's conditional cash transfer facilitators for maximum results to be achieved. In Awka, it's been Chibuzo Okoye for ABS News.